Angeline, before I go to these stats, if sometimes the internet and if social media and kind of like the culture is teaching us, it feels like everything that's right is wrong and everything that's wrong is right, right? So it feels like we are being programmed in a certain way to get away from that communal feel. And I wonder, what can we do to get that back, or what can we be thinking about? How can we process when we see our family members, and what can we do um, to kind of build? I almost wonder, what can we do to not have our parents be in that situation? Is there something that we can, is there something that we can all do together as a family to ensure that that never happens?
I think there's plenty of things that we can do. The question is, are we going to do it? And I also think that in our communities, trust plays a big part, right? If we all going to be putting in $10 every week, are you going to be putting your $10 in, or are you going to be spending your money someplace else, right?